my name is Julie Kay Stallcup, and this is my daughter Zeta Stallcup, and we're going to teach you how to do a Lindy Hop. And what age should you start a Lindy Hop? The age of 5. Why is a Lindy Hop so important? Because it's in musical theater, it's in jazz, it needs to be in choreography all over your recital because it is so important. It's a chasse and a ball change, but it's a little bit harder teaching it to a younger age. So I'm going to show you how I do this. All right, so Zeta, match me. So we're going to connect. We're going to hold together. Uh-oh, did I pinch you? I'm sorry. So now Zeta, I want you to follow me, okay? 1, 2, 3, rock behind and front. 1, 2, 3, rock behind and front. I highly suggest that you do this facing each other so then they understand directions. Try it again. We're not chasseing yet. Step together, step, and rocking horse. Step together, step, rocking horse. Now let chasse shoot through the floor, laser lights hitting the floor, going straight up like a Pop-Tart out of a toaster. Ready, go. 1, up, 2, ball, change. Lindy Hop, ball, change. Lindy Hop, ball, change. Lindy Hop. Now, Zeta, take your selfie stick, take some pictures. Show me how you do a Lindy Hop with your hands in front of you. Show me. Now, here's the thing. I love you, but I need you to face and focus through the hoop, okay? Now, nowadays, kids are always on their phones, and sometimes they're either looking for approval or they're looking down. So this is a great focus circle. All right, Zeta, try it again. 1, 2, ball, change. 1, 2, ball, change. Excellent. So now, Zeta, let's try this. We're going to add a little cool thing called Dancing with the Stars. What? Watch us. We're going to go Lindy Hop. When we ball change, we're going to let go, ball change. Uh-oh. Let's try it again. Lindy Hop, ball change. Lindy Hop, ball change. Lindy Hop, ball change. Lindy Hop, ball change. Why would I do this? Because this is personal connection. Now, Zeta, let's try it holding hands. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, ball, change. 1, 2, ball, change. 1, 2, ball, change. 1, 2, ball, change. You try that by yourself. 5, facing the front. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. And that's how you teach a young dancer how to do a Lindy Hop.